Did you know you can make over $10,000 a month by creating story animation videos like this? Don't miss out. Many YouTube channels are already earning big by producing kids' story animations using free AI tools. Let me show you how.
This amazing AI tool can transform your text and images into videos like these. You can use this AI tool to create animated cartoons, kids' stories, cinematic videos, and more. Let's check out a sample video.
A hungry fox saw a bunch of juicy grapes hanging from a vine and wanted to eat them. He leapt high, trying to reach the grapes, but they were too high. He tried several times, but each jump fell short. Exhausted and realizing he could not reach them, the fox decided to give up. As he walked away, he muttered to himself, "Those grapes are probably sour anyway."
This videos you're watching right now all generated by a free tool Luma AI. Using this tool, you can generate daily 4 videos for free with just a simple text prompt. If you want to earn money from YouTube, by simply making cartoon videos using free AI tools, you must watch the full video. In this video, I'll show you how to make cartoon videos. I am using my laptop, but you can do the same work on your mobile phone. So, let's get started.
First, we need a story. I'm using ChatGPT to help create a short story. Simply type "Give me a short kid's story with moral" in 100 words, and ChatGPT will generate one for you. Once you have the story, we need to divide it into scenes to make it easy to follow. Now we'll create prompts for images. In ChatGPT, type "Create a detailed image" prompt for each scene. This will give us descriptions to use for each scene in our story. With our prompts ready, it's time to generate images using ideogram. Open ideogram, select Create New Image, and set the size to wide for best results. For each scene, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in the description. If you want the same style throughout, add 3D animation and storybook style to the prompt. Click Generate to create images. Download the images that best fit your story. Now, we'll add motion to these images using Luma AI. Open the Luma AI website, click the Image Upload button, and select one of your images. For narration, you can paste the story text or leave it blank, then click Generate. Repeat this step for each image to create all animated scenes. For voiceover, we'll use VoiceMaker. Go to VoiceMaker and paste your story in the text box. Select the language and voice that best fits your tone. You can adjust pitch, speed, or add emotions as needed. And click Generate Audio and download the voice file. Now it's time to assemble everything. In Premiere Pro or any other free video editor you prefer, import all your animated video clips and the voiceover file. Arrange the video clips to match the voiceover narration. Sync each clip to the narration timing for a smooth flow.
For background music we need copyright-free music. Open your YouTube studio and go to Audio Library. Here you can find music provided by YouTube that is completely risk-free. Download it, import background music and add music in timeline. Now adjust audio gain to -20 decibels.
And there you have it, a beautiful storytelling video created entirely for free. Now you're ready to export and share your video. Happy creating!
Once upon a time, a little girl named Mia lived in a small, cozy house by the woods. Mia had a pet cat named Luna, a fluffy white ball of fur with the softest purrs. Luna was Mia's best friend. They did everything together, from playing hide and seek in the garden to snuggling under blankets during story time. One sunny afternoon, Mia and Luna decided to explore the nearby forest. As they wandered, Luna darted after a butterfly, her tail flicking with excitement. Mia giggled, chasing after her. Suddenly, Luna paused, ears perked, and led Mia to a hidden patch of wildflowers. There, nestled among the blooms, lay a tiny, abandoned kitten. Mia gently scooped up the kitten, and Luna rubbed her head against it, purring softly. They brought the kitten home, giving it a warm bed and lots of love. From that day on, Mia, Luna, and their new friend, Fluffy, shared countless adventures together, filling their home with joy.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips on growing your channel and earning from YouTube. Like this video if it helped, and share your thoughts in the comments. Watch the video on screen for more ways to succeed on YouTube. Let's grow together.